Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about how you can create a YouTube content schedule, and we're going to show you step by step. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the amount of content you have to create, don't worry. Many YouTubers are in the same position. Together, we'll look at how an orderly calendar just might be exactly what's needed to push your channel forward on YouTube. In this video, we'll take a close look into the process of planning and scheduling your videos to ensure that you stay organized and keep your audience engaged. From brainstorming ideas to setting deadlines, we will offer you some hands-on practical tips that you can start using today. But why is a content calendar so important? One word: consistency. Consistency is the single most critical element for success on YouTube. A well-conceived plan helps keep you on track and develops an audience that becomes your loyal following and, in time, can produce substantial income for you. Understanding what type of content to create and when to release it can enable you to maximize your channel's potential and define a strategy for growth. So, stick around as we unpack a few of the benefits of using a content calendar and how it can help you succeed in your journey on YouTube. First of all, you must understand your target audience. Knowing what your audience is looking for is the cornerstone of content planning. The better you know your target audience's interests and preferences, the easier it will be for you to make content that resonates with them. Start off by asking yourself who your ideal viewers are. What age group do they belong to? What are their hobbies, their interests, their difficulties? Knowing this information about your audience will make it easier for you to create content for them. Also, research topics associated with the things your audience like. That could mean anything from browsing popular videos in your niche to checking social media trends or engaging with viewers through comments and polls. By focusing on trending topics that align with your audience's interests, you can guarantee your content has relevance and generate engagement. Use AI analysis tools to gather insights into the behaviors of your audience. Using tools like YouTube Analytics, you can find useful statistics like watch time, demographics of viewership, engagement rates, and so much more. By analyzing this data, you can sharpen your content strategy, doing more of what is popular while adjusting what is not. Understanding your audience will enrich your content planning and bring an added sense of connection with viewers. This intensifies viewers' connection with your channel and content, builds loyalty, and increases the potential for growing your channel over time. Set goals for creating content. The goal-setting process is critical to the future growth and success of your channel on YouTube. Get started by defining some short-term and long-term goals. Short-term goals may be anything from increasing how often you upload your posts to getting a certain number of people subscribing in the next 3 months. While long-term goals could involve building a brand, reaching a certain view count, or even monetizing your channel. Using a combination of both will allow you to sketch out a more effective guide for your content strategy. Equally important is that you dovetail the goals you set for content creation with the interests of your audience. Think about what your viewers are looking for and how your content can satisfy those desires. Creating content this way can increase overall viewer satisfaction, encourage engagement, build viewer loyalty, and promote channel growth. Additionally, be sure to make SMART goals. That means making goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of saying, "I want more views," state specific goals like, "I want 20% more views in the next 3 months." Setting this kind of goal makes it easy to see whether progress has been made, and if not, where adjustments may be necessary. By setting specific, measurable content goals that closely align with the interests of your audience, you can lay a solid foundation for a thriving YouTube channel. Having an effective content calendar for your YouTube channel can work wonders in keeping you organized and posting consistently. The first step is to pick a format that works best for what you want to do. Google Sheets is a popular choice because of its flexible uses and how easy it is to operate. Trello is another option due to how it visually organizes and has features tailored for task management. We recommend you check online to find more options, then pick one that fits best with your work style and needs. Once you have chosen which platform is right for you and have your format set up, it is time to begin planning content, themes, and topics for each week or month. While you are in the planning stage, consider things such as seasonal trends, audience interests, and your channel's overall goals. Mapping things out this way, you can ensure a cohesive strategy for your content that will keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Also, do not forget to mark down any relevant, important dates, events, and occasions on your calendar. Holidays, conventions, and viral trending topics all present ample, unique opportunities to capitalize on. By adding these dates to your calendar, you can create some smooth, fluffy content that your audience will eat up like candy. Overall, a content calendar helps you streamline your planning process, lay plans for a channel with high-quality content that is consistent over time, and sets up your channel for growth and success. Plan out your uploads and release times. Maintaining a schedule for uploading videos on your channel helps ensure some level of consistency in your efforts, and this promotes audience engagement and growth. So, it's time to find out when your target audience is most active. Knowing this will tell you when the best days and times are for releasing your content. You can check YouTube analytics for peak engagement times and use that information to plan when to schedule your uploads to gain as much attention as possible. This way, you can establish a consistent upload schedule that suits your lifestyle. No matter whether you choose to upload weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, consistency is the key. An upload schedule that doesn't fluctuate lets your audience know when new content will appear next, and meeting this sense of expectancy leads to greater engagement and viewer loyalty. Now you can see how important it is to have an upload schedule that you can easily keep up with without compromising on the quality of your videos. For that reason, we suggest that you use scheduling tools to automate your uploads as much as you can. You can schedule the release of your videos through YouTube in this way. This ensures that your content gets published on time, even if you are doing something entirely different then. That not only saves you time, it also helps you keep your releases on schedule with minimal effort. Maintaining a consistent upload schedule shows that your channel has stability and reliability, which can lead to increased viewer retention and channel growth over time. Viewers love regularity, so maintaining consistency in your upload routine is essential for building viewer loyalty and achieving long-term success on YouTube. One trick is to set reminders and deadlines so that you stay on track. You should be clear about what days are for filming, editing, and posting your videos. That way there's no confusion between tasks, and things will happen as planned in the end. Using reminders can help prevent procrastination and keep you on track to fulfilling your vision and goals for your channel. One proactive strategy is to create batches of content. By dedicating a certain number of days to filming multiple videos at once, you can decrease last-minute stress and reduce the strain on your working capital. This approach can save time and help you to churn out video after video, even during busy times, maintaining a pattern of reliable content releases. However, it is important to remain flexible and capable of adjusting your schedule as needed while still being consistent with your releases. With life being so unpredictable, you should be prepared to adjust your plans from time to time. If a certain day becomes troublesome for uploading your content, go ahead and change it to another day. The important thing to remember is to communicate any changes with your audience and keep a regular schedule they can rely on. Using these tips, you can create a sustainable routine that keeps your audience engaged and supports growth for your channel. It is also extremely important to know what kind of content performs best. Analyze the performance of your videos to understand what resonates with your audience to drive your channel's growth on YouTube. Using YouTube analytics, you can keep track of key metrics like watch time and audience retention. This information will tell you which videos are working well for the public and which ones you need to improve on. Look into the retention rate of your viewers closely because it shows how much of the video they watched and at what point they dropped off. Next, adjust your content model based on data from your higher performing videos and viewer feedback. Comment sections and social media are good places to engage with your audience to gain feedback and see how they respond to your content. Using this direct communication in combination with channel analytics, you can create content that meshes well with what your audience wants to see. Be sure to regularly refine your content calendar based on engagement analytics and performance insights. If you see that some topics draw more views and engagement than others, consider creating more videos of the same type as that higher drawing content. On the other hand, for videos that are not performing as well as expected, you should examine the reason that may be and adjust your content accordingly. By consistently evaluating how your content is doing and making informed changes, you can more effectively create engaging content and build a strong connection with your audience. Today, we explored creating a successful YouTube content calendar, emphasizing the importance of planning, scheduling, and consistency. We talked about how understanding your audience and setting clear content goals can significantly enhance your channel's growth potential. We looked at how, by scheduling your uploads and sticking to a routine, you can build a loyal audience that eagerly anticipates your content. We highlighted the importance of using YouTube analytics to evaluate the performance of your videos, and how this allows you to refine your strategy based on data and viewer feedback. We also talked about how using this continuous improvement process can help you make content that is both relevant and engaging. Now, it is time for you to act. If you are not already using one, we encourage you to create and use your own content calendar, tailoring it to fit your unique style and audience needs. Remember, consistency is the key, and with a solid plan in place, you will be well on your way to achieving your YouTube goals. What other strategies do you think are important for a content calendar? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share the video, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel for more content. Your support makes it possible for us to create content like this, and we appreciate you. Thanks for watching.